We see this bedroom wall that has these unsightly stains. It's an exterior wall, and there's a lot of contrast of the cold outside with the heat inside, generating condensation and forming these spots. If you want to see how we fix it, don't miss the following video. Here we can see that in this part of the ceiling there are also some spots, and we can see in depth how the wall has this kind of grayish layer that makes it so ugly. We headed to our DIY center, and in the paint area we looked for an anti-mold cleaner. We chose this one from a well-known paint brand and also bought a special white moisture-proof paint to make sure it doesn't come off again. The problem is that they are a little more expensive than normal ones, although we found this one at a slight discount. Curiously, we see that in the area where the painting was, there is no humidity, since it prevented condensation.
Well then,
Pues bien.
first of all we're going to do is remove the headboard from the wall.
And you have to disassemble.
Some few things. Now we can start.
Find a quitamo,
For it, we remove and apply with a sponge.
well soaked in the product.
Do we also apply it to the affected areas of the roof? Be careful it doesn't fall on us. And to get to the top, we help ourselves with a mop.
We already have the wall well soaked with product, shall we?
Let it act and let it dry. After the drying time, we apply the anti-mold paint. Here we see the whiteness.
What happened to the wall that was the color?
That she had before we painted her.
Red.
And we couldn't see the gray spots. To finish and give it a good finish, we are going to wallpaper it, and how there is stucco,
We chose a paper with a good thickness.
This is pretty good.
which we will place with the classic wallpaper glue.
What about this? A paint kit.
We finish putting it in and see the result. If you like the video, I hope you like it, and if you want to see the video of how we have lined this classic closet with adhesive vinyl and everything done by ourselves, I leave you a link at the end, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Greetings.